Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do Portugal chutney. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of your favorite ripe fruit like apples or pears, peeled and diced into small pieces. Next, measure out 1 cup each of apple cider vinegar and brown sugar. Don't forget your spices. 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 5 teaspoons of chili flakes for a little kick, and a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Having everything ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's start preparing the chutney. Take a large, heavy-bottomed pot and add your diced fruit, apple cider vinegar, and brown sugar. Then, carefully add in all your spices, the 1 teaspoon of ginger, 5 teaspoons of chili flakes, and the pinch of salt. Give everything a good stir to make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly combined. This initial mix is crucial for developing the rich flavors of your Portugal chutney. With your ingredients combined, it's time to cook. Place your pot over medium heat and bring the chutney mixture to a gentle boil, stirring frequently. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer. Continue cooking for about 1 hour or until the chutney has thickened to your desired consistency. Remember to stir occasionally during the simmering process to ensure even cooking and prevent burning at the bottom. Once your Portugal chutney has reached the perfect consistency, remove it from the heat and let it cool completely. This cooling step is important before you transfer it into clean, sterilized jars. Seal the jars tightly and store them in a cool, dark place. Your delicious homemade chutney will be best enjoyed within 6 months. For other great deals, and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, be sure to look at the link in the description below. Enjoy your flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.